Have you ever dreamt of making that perfect, melt-in-your-mouth Malai Tikka right in your own kitchen? Imagine pulling a tray of succulent, creamy bites from your oven, the gentle aroma of spices and cream filling the air. This is not just a dish, it is an experience. Malai Tikka is the crown jewel of tandoori starters, celebrated for its soft, luxurious texture and a mild, deeply flavorful profile. It speaks of comfort, celebration, and our rich culinary heritage. The magic lies in beautiful simplicity and a touch of luxury. Malai means cream, heart and soul of this recipe. Combined with thick yogurt and gentle spices, it tenderizes to irresistible softness. Unlike fiery reds, Malai Tikka is subtle, elegant, and creamy. Today, I will show you how to bring that exact 5-star magic home. Tie on your apron, and let us begin this delicious journey together. We will demystify it in easy steps for parties or a special Tuesday dinner. Every great dish begins with great ingredients. Use 500 grams chicken breast or paneer, fresh and firm, 1 cup fresh cream, ½ cup hung curd, plus optional 2 tablespoons cheese. Add ginger garlic, green chili, garam masala, cumin, white pepper, and salt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a tablespoon oil or butter, and kasuri methi. Dice onion and capsicum into squares. Prep wooden or metal skewers. Cut chicken into uniform 1.5 to 2-inch cubes for even cooking. For paneer, cut gently with a sharp knife to keep clean edges. Soak wooden skewers for 20 to 30 minutes to prevent burning. Drain yogurt in muslin over a bowl for thick, non-watery hung curd. In a large bowl, add 1 cup fresh cream. Add ½ cup hung curd and whisk until silky smooth. Stir in 2 tablespoons grated cheese, if using. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic and 1 teaspoon green chili. Season with garam masala, cumin, white pepper, and salt. Add 2 tablespoons lemon, plus a tablespoon oil or butter. Crush 1 tablespoon kasuri methi to release aroma. Whisk well. The marinade should be thick, creamy, and glossy. Fold in your cubes gently until fully coated. Be tender with paneer to avoid breakage. Cover and refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Short on time? 30 minutes or 2 hours still works. Longer is deeper flavor. Use the weight to relax or prep sides. Skewers ready. Let us assemble. Alternate protein, onion, capsicum. Repeat, leaving slight gaps. Space ensures even heat circulation and perfect texture. Preheat to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Line a tray and elevate skewers slightly for airflow. Lightly brush with butter or oil. Bake 12 to 15 minutes, flipping at 7. Broil for the final 2 minutes for smoky char. Watch closely. On a grill, cook 10 to 12 minutes, turning every 2 to 3 minutes. Baste lightly to keep them moist and glossy. On stovetop, medium heat 8 to 12 minutes. Do not overcrowd. Cover briefly to cook through. Uncover to crisp the exterior. Your kitchen will smell absolutely irresistible. Look for golden edges, light char, and juicy centers. Then you are ready. If checking, juices should run clear and pieces feel springy. Rest the skewers for a couple of minutes so juices redistribute. Finish with fresh coriander for aroma and color. A quick lemon squeeze brightens the creamy richness. Small plating details create restaurant-quality appeal. Serve with coriander mint chutney and laha piyaz. That spicy, tangy contrast is perfect with malai. Enjoy with warm naan, soft rotis, or fragrant basmati rice. Or pair with a simple pulao. Toss into a fresh green salad for a lighter meal. Roll into a frankie with chutney and salad. Great on the go. Perfect party appetizer and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Say it with pride. Yes, I made this from scratch. Cook with heart and create something truly spectacular. Try it this weekend and subscribe for more delicious recipes.